No worries, क्योंकि here I am.
My topic is kitchen gardening. So these are some of the points that we are going to see. That is the introduction, management, food, benefits, and conclusion. So now first let us understand what is the meaning of the kitchen gardening. So kitchen garden is a garden which is established on the terrace, roof and balcony. Usually extra place which is suitable for the garden. So this is the picture of the kitchen gardening. Now before directly jumping into the benefits of the kitchen garden, let us study the management of it. Let us go through some of the important things that makes the kitchen gardens very easy. Management of kitchen garden. First is the site selection, protection, water management, fertility, seed and seedling. Let us study each one by one. First is the site selection. If we are already practicing kitchen gardening, then there is no need for the new site selection. But if you want to develop kitchen garden, then there are some of the factors you must keep in mind in order to bring out good kitchen gardening. For example, is the site is well protected from the livestock? Is there is enough supply of water? Is there is enough sunlight? Is the area is easily accessible from the house? Second is the protection. The area should be well protected by the means of fence or by the living trees, which in turn provides the shades to the plants. Also, the plants should be well protected from the disease and the pest. Mixed cropping, rotation cropping are some of the ways through which you can achieve that. Third is the water management. It is important to provide the moisture. Green manure, windbreak, providing shades are some of the ways which increases the moisture content in the garden. Also, the wastewater from the kitchen can be used in the kitchen gardening. Now comes the most important thing, that is the soil fertility. Sweeping pits, liquid manure, green manure, legumes are some of the ways through which it increases the fertility of the soil. Leguminous plants also increases the nitrogen content in the soil. Now comes the seed and the seedlings. Kitchen gardening can provide a good amount of local varieties. Nowadays, farmers are interested to produce the new varieties, but local varieties have more nutritive value than the new varieties. Let us see the seed sowing process. Take a container, clean it, put some growing medium. Also add some sand and pebbles according to the soil texture. Now sow a seed, label it and add water for the moisture content. Now close the container as to retain the moisture in it. So this way seed sowing is done. So these are some of the vegetables and the fruits that are produced in the kitchen garden. This is for the winter season and this is for the summer seasons. Now let us see some of the benefits of the kitchen gardening. First is the natural organic variety, as we are not using any fertilizers in it. Second, they are pure and healthy and fresh foods. They are disease free. As they are pest free, manure, extra scraps that are produced in the kitchen can use to make a compost. Then we can add to that soil, which increases the soil fertility. It also uses less water. Now let us see the conclusion of it. Kitchen gardening is one of the simplest form of cultivation but has a greater impact on our life by maintaining the proper health. It provides a toxin-free food to our family. Healthy family creates the healthy nation. So if you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need.